Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Fucium Ore in Monster Hunter World. Fucium Ore is a high-rank material that can only be obtained in Elder's Recess. It has an obtain rate of about 21% from mining outcrops. You can find it in areas 6, 7, 8, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Simply rotate between these zones, mine all outcrops, then wait for them to respawn or reset the expedition. You can try this route for efficient Fucium Ore farming. And that's how to get Fucium Ore in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.